Hi everyone, welcome back by other video. 3 sports car unboxing and testing. Bonzer car, rechargeable battery operated, 4 channel remote control car, 4 color, green, orange, red, grey. Twenty-seven megahertz. Open box and nice remote RC control. Open back cover. This is a screwdriver. 2 battery cell installed. Charger, battery charger, and a remote control sports car, blue color and shine blue color. This is a 3D famous car, 3D light car, 3D famous white color. Open box and nice car. Small, very small car. Right, left. Wow, 3D light. This is a remote. Open same car but different color and white, blue. Same features and 3D light. Same color different. 3D light and same remote control. Very easy use. First car open box with testing remote. First car sports control, sports car, forward, back, forward, back. And testing 2 car. This is a P test. Yes. Right, left. Small car, very high speed compared to blue car. Speed very high. and blue car test, and 3 card, 1 remote, single remote, 3 card drive. Same frequency 27 megahertz, and 1 remote and 3 cars testing. Very high speed. Okay, uh, nice review. I hope you are like my video. Thanks for watching.